banana and curd hair mask, banana and avocado hair mask, banana and honey hair mask. Mix banana with honey, which helps to reduce scalp dryness. For a hydrating banana hair mask. For a hair loss mask with banana. Today we will discuss top 5 banana benefits for hair growth. The good news is that banana is considered to be one of the most promising natural ingredients that can help in controlling hair loss in women, says the expert. Banana is packed with potassium, silica, magnesium, antioxidants, vitamin C, fiber, natural oils, as well as protein. Its peel also has nutrients, so you can get the health benefits of banana by its pulp and the peel. If you like the video, please like it. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and press the icon so that these informational videos to reach you. Top 5 benefits of banana for hair growth. Number 1. Banana and curd hair mask. A smooth paste of the pulp from 2 ripe bananas can be prepared in a mixer. Add curd, which helps the scalp to moisturize, to the mixer. It can be applied twice a week on the scalp. A 15-minute application is good enough to derive the advantages. Number 2. Banana and avocado hair mask. Avocado, which is rich in vitamin E and biotin, can also be used with banana. Make a paste using the 2 ingredients and apply it on the scalp. Leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes, then wash it off scalp using a mild shampoo. Number 3. Banana and honey hair mask. Mix banana with honey, which helps to reduce scalp dryness and accelerates hair regrowth. Leave it on your head for 15 minutes, then wash it off. Number 4. For a hydrating banana hair mask. Mix 1 mashed ripe banana with 1 plain yogurt, 1 egg yolk, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply to damp or dry hair and leave on for at least 1 hour. Rinse with clear water and shampoo. Number 5. For a hair loss mask with banana, mash a banana in a bowl, then add a tablespoon of honey and mix until the mixture becomes a paste that holds together well. Apply to the scalp using circular motions to activate blood circulation. Leave on for about 30 minutes and rinse with your shampoo.